Have I been teaching you the wrong thing? Question mark. I got an email from a wonderful man in India, and he had some great ideas and perspectives, so we had a talk online. And I said, if you've seen some of my videos, you have noticed that I'm a big fan of spoken intentions. You speak up to the universe and it happens. And I told him I really find the key, the master key to all of this is people's spoken intentions, and everybody can do it, like I can. And he said, and he's quite experienced, and he said, no, that is not the main key, and that is not correct. Maybe he didn't use those words, but that was his meaning, and it really made me think about his perspective. And I have checked in with my helpers, and I would like to share with you how I see this. Because he said to me, well, my ego is going to love this sentence. You are special, he said. People cannot do what you do. Everybody cannot do what you do. And I thought to myself, oh, really? And I'm a big fan of hearing other people's perspective and point of view, and take it in, meditate on it, think about it, sleep on it, and then come up with my own answer to this. And I have. And I think he's right, and I think there's more to it than that. I think everybody can do what I can do. Now, he said you can do this because well, he didn't use the word relationship, that's what I call it, because of your relationship to all that is. And that is true. I have spent a lot of time talking to the universe, to my helpers, to my super self. I do that many, many times every day, and I have been in fights with them. I have requested new guides. I have called them, swear words, you effing, yeah, exactly. And I don't think that's a problem. I think that's a good thing. That's in every relationship, there's ups and downs, right? So I have spent a lot of time doing that. And his point was that I have this relationship or connection to all that is. But I do think everybody can have that. Well, I know everybody can have that. So if anything is special about me, it's because I have spent all this time talking to the universe like a friend. So if I were to go deep in myself and take some criticism, I think I will do that based on I might have not been clear enough of the importance of talking to the universe and building a relationship in order to manifest with spoken intentions. And I don't have the answers to this. I don't think he does either. We're kind of guessing. But my manifestations works out really well. And he noticed that, and he pointed this out. So if I were to give you an advice, start communicating with your helpers, your super self or higher self, the source, God, whatever you want to call it. And not just when you need something. Do it on a daily basis, like talking to a friend. When you see beauty and when you see love, comment on it. Do it in your mind, or even better, speak out loud. What I do is that if I'm in public, I just pick up my phone and just put it to my ear and start talking. Because then people won't think I'm crazy if I just talk to myself and I pretend I'm on a phone call. Oh, look at that beautiful flower, and I can, show. So I think I ought to focus more on that in future videos, the importance of this. Do I know for a fact that that's the key? No. Do I also suspect that when you start communicating or using your intention, I have a sneaking suspicion that the universe is so happy that you have discovered this, that they will actually help you a lot along the way. They will give you positive feedback and results as a sign of, yes, my friend, you are on the right track, no matter their relationship. So I'm suspecting a relationship plays a role, an important role? I'm not sure. But it kind of landed in me what he said to me, that people need a relationship, and I think that's true, and it might be levels of truth to this, who knows, right? So I just wanted to share that. Start talking to the universe. Okay, see you soon. Well, yeah, what do you think? Yeah, is it important, do you think? I would love to hear your input, and maybe I'll change my mind again, who knows?